Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and you know your passcode because you'll need it. First, go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Authenticate using your passcode. Once inside, find the toggle list and disable access for Snapchat. This stops Face ID from unlocking the app. Next, open Snapchat and go to your profile and tap the gear icon to confirm any in-app privacy toggles. This begins removing biometric access while preserving your account data. Now you'll remove the app-level biometric fallback. In Snapchat, go to Settings Privacy Controls and find App Lock or Login Verification. If you set a Snapchat passcode, disable or change it so Face ID won't be required. Make sure to check iPhone settings Face ID and passcode again and confirm Snapchat isn't granted permission. Once done, try relaunching Snapchat. It should prompt for the app passcode or account password instead of Face ID. This prevents automatic biometric unlocks and finish by restarting your iPhone. A reboot clears any cached biometric tokens and ensures your changes take effect. After reboot, open Snapchat and confirm it no longer offers Face ID. Instead, it should require your passcode or account credentials. If Face ID still appears, go back to Face ID settings, remove Snapchat from allowed apps, then uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. That forces the app to request permission again. And remember, verify your email or phone in Snapchat so you can recover access if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.